Today is kind of absurd, huh? Yesterday, I paid off POL 50,000 rupiah in installments. Everything was fine. This morning, I checked Indodax. It showed maintenance. There were many comments from viewers asking me, "Hey bro, why POL? Maintenance? Is it dangerous?" The funny part, while I was making this video script, I refreshed and it was back to normal again. Just as usual, bro, this is not an invitation to buy or sell crypto. This is education, sharing my real journey, so you understand how to think when the market creates drama like this. First, this is my purchase record from yesterday. POL 50,000. I bought it when it was dropping. This is real proof. I'm talking while doing it, not just theory. When I bought this, the status wasn't under maintenance. This morning I checked. Suddenly there's a maintenance label. It's understandable that the viewers are surprised. How come the coin I bought yesterday can't be transacted today? And funny enough, the viewers are asking me as if I own Indodax. But I'm happy. It means the viewers trust me. For you who might be new to crypto, saying maintenance often makes people nervous. But bro, maintenance is not a sign that the coin is about to die. Not a sign that the project is bankrupt, and definitely not a code for delisting. Let me explain one by one so you understand the logic. One, wallet exchange is being synchronized. This is the most common. Exchanges like Indodax, Binance, or Coinbase have dedicated wallets for storing and managing user tokens. Now, whenever there are small changes in the blockchain network, whether it's an increase in block height, new parameters, or node synchronization, the exchange needs to match the data to prevent missent transactions or incorrect balances. The analogy: syncing WhatsApp from an old phone to a new one. During this process, you can't chat. That's maintenance. Not an issue, just data alignment. 2. Network update. Polygon 2.0 has a lot of changes. Polygon 2.0 is not a small update, bro. This is a major upgrade. Migration from Matic to POL, smart contract update, staking adjustments, ZK EVM integration, validator system upgrade. With so many changes, it's understandable that the exchange needs to pause transactions to avoid bugs or mismatches. It's like rebuilding a toll road. Sometimes it's closed briefly, but after reopening, the road is smoother. So if POL is undergoing maintenance on the exchange, it actually indicates that the network is active and alive. 3. Backend exchange system improvements. Sometimes the problem isn't with the coin but with the exchange. They're fixing server, API, internal node, security system. Maintenance like this usually happens suddenly and only lasts a short time. Just like a restaurant suddenly closing the door for 10 minutes to clean the tables and refill supplies. Not a sign of going out of business. 4. Minor fixes to make deposits and withdrawals safer. This is something that happens very often. The exchange just wants to ensure transactions don't go astray. Chain confirmation amounts are correct. Wallet address is valid. No delays that make users panic. They temporarily close transactions, check all systems, then reopen once everything is safe. So bro, maintenance is not a supernatural event, not bad intuition, not a sign of delisting. It's just a quick service, like when your car goes to the workshop just to change the oil. And afterward, it runs even smoother. If you understand the context, you'll stay calm. Only those who don't understand how the exchange works get panicked. And here it is, bro, making this situation even funnier. I was seriously sitting writing the script, opening notes, ready to explain in detail about the maintenance. Suddenly I thought of refreshing Indodax. The status is normal again. Like, what is this? From the busy comments earlier. Sir, POL why? Maintenance? Want to delist? And now the writing just disappeared on its own. So the maintenance was only for a short while, bro. Literally like a technician came, turned a screwdriver halfway, then left again. It's just like fixing a dripping faucet. You come, tighten it a bit, done. No drama, no kitchen renovation, no calling a neighborhood handyman. This is a very important lesson, bro. If you want to be serious about crypto, you can't easily panic. In the exchange world, things like maintenance, normal, maintenance, again, normal again, are really common. Not just POL. BTC also sometimes undergo maintenance on certain exchanges. If every time you see a red sign you get nervous, immediately think the coin is going to die, I'll tell you one honest thing. You will get tired of yourself. Tired of your emotions, tired of your mental state, even tired of your wallet. A true investor doesn't follow daily drama. Investors look at long-term value, see if the project is alive or not, see if the team is still working or not, see if the ecosystem is growing or not. But speculators are different, bro. Speculators have reactive mentalities, see the word maintenance and panic immediately, see a 10-minute red candle and scream, see a rumor and cut loss right away. That's why in the market, those who lose the most often are actually the easiest to panic. Because, bro, the market is full of small disturbances. Sometimes brief maintenance, sometimes deposit delays, sometimes network congestion. Those are technical issues, not fundamental. So as an investor, your job isn't to chase perfect timing, but to keep your mental state stable. Because what makes you successful isn't the ability to predict prices, but your ability to stay calm when the market is dramatic. Investors are marathons. Speculators are sprinting while gasping for air. If you choose to be an investor, you must have a resilient mentality, because what you're chasing are big long-term results, not pointless daily dramas. Why can I stay calm during POL maintenance? Because POL isn't a random coin, bro. It's a coin with a role, a function, a duty, not just a hype-driven coin for entertainment. POL is the foundation of the Polygon 2.0 ecosystem, and its role is serious. 1. For validators. POL is used by validators to run the chains under Polygon 2.0. If validators need POL, it means this coin has real utility, not just a speculative tool. If validators are still staking, still working, still processing blocks, it means the ecosystem is alive. 2. For multi-chain staking. This is really cool. POL isn't just for one chain, but can be used to stake on many chains within one ecosystem. It's like having a membership card that can be used at dozens of different outlets. Its value is much stronger than a coin with only one function. 3. Create a new governed chain. If a new chain joins the Polygon ecosystem later, important decisions are governed using POL. That means POL is governance access, the coin that has a voice. Coin governance is usually rarely dead because it is part of the system. 4. Create to activate ZK EVM and supernets. Polygon is not just an ordinary chain. They have ZK EVM, expensive and complex technology, and they have supernets, custom chains for companies and large projects. All of this moves because of POL as its fuel. It's like electricity in a house. You might not see it active every second, but without it, everything stops. 5. Still actively developed. This is the most important point. Polygon Labs is not sleeping. They are still updating, still releasing improvement proposals, still adding new partners. A dead coin is one where the developers run away. POL, actually the opposite. They are moving very fast. So, why am I calm? Because POL is a coin that has life. Having a project, having a roadmap, having utilities, having a team, having direction. A coin like this can't possibly die just because of 1 to 2 hours of maintenance on one exchange. It's like an airport closing for 10 minutes to clean the runway. That's not a sign that the plane is going bankrupt, bro. The ones panicking are those who don't understand what they are holding. Those who only see red numbers and immediately tremble. The calm ones, they're the people who understand the foundation, who understand the value, who understand they're on a roller coaster, not a machine breaking down. If you want to make an analogy, bro, maintenance is like your home Wi-Fi. Sometimes it spins for a bit, reconnects, and then it's normal again. You don't immediately tear down the house just because the Wi-Fi has an error for 2 minutes, right? Well, that's POL today. It experienced a Wi-Fi error, then it turned back on. So basically, bro, POL is safe. Maintenance isn't a sign of dying. It's a sign the system is being serviced. We keep chipping away, stay sane, and keep our strategy. See you in the next installment video. Keep going, bro!